The purpose of this video is to explain the Notification Center in iOS 8. To access the Notification Center, place your finger at the top of your iPad in the white or black area and pull down. Once you're in your Notification Center, you'll see two main tabs at the top, Today and Notifications. The Today tab is your source of information. By default, it includes your calendar and what information you have in your calendar for that day. A new feature in iOS 8 is that you can add different widgets to the Notification Center depending upon what type of information you want it to hold. In order to do this, click on the Edit tab at the bottom. You may have to scroll down to find the Edit tab. Anything at the top of the screen is already has a widget in your Notification Center. Anything at the bottom underneath the area that says Do Not Include is not included in your Notification Center. If you would like it to be, all you have to do is click the green plus button and it'll add it to your Notification Center. The more and more we have time to add widgets, different app developers have time to add widgets, the more widget options you will see here. So that is the Today tab. The other tab that you'll find is the Notifications tab. These are apps that you have indicated that you want to notify you of something. I can click on the X beside the notification for it to go away. Click on the X and click on Clear, and that notification will go away. To customize what is included in your Notification Center, you need to go into your settings. So I'm going to swipe up to get rid of my Notification Center and then open my Settings app. Over on the left, you'll find the option that says Notifications. You'll see that at the top, it gives you an option of how you would like your notifications viewed, either manually or by time. You can choose which one of those you like based on personal preference. Then you'll see a section that says Include. These are any apps that you have indicated that you want to be included in the Notification Center. In other words, you want this app to notify you of something in the Notification Center. If you scroll down, you'll find an area that says Do Not Include. These are apps that you don't want to notify you of something. You can easily change this. So for example, if I decide that I do not want this app to notify me of anything, I click on it and I slide the slider from green over to the left, and now the Animoto app no longer is notifying me. It's down here in the Do Not Include section. If I decide that I do want it to notify me of something, I do the same thing. I just click in the app and I slide the slider back over to the right until it shows up green. You'll notice for each app it gives you preferences of how you would like that app to notify you. So you can go in here and determine if you would like it to give a sound, if you would like it to show on the lock screen, and what type of alert style you want, if you want a banner or an alert that comes in the middle of the screen. So take some time to explore this area and determine what apps you would like to notify you and how you would like those apps to notify you. One other really neat feature of iOS 8 that's new is interactive notifications. So, for example, when I go to my Notification Center and I click on Notifications, say I were to get a new text message on my iPhone. Instead of having to go to the Messages app to reply to that text, I would be able to click onto that text and reply from the Notification Center. It's the same for calendar. You can dismiss and snooze calendar alerts from the Notification Center and several other apps. And again, this is kind of like the widgets. This is a new iOS 8 feature, so as more and more app developers start to work on customizing their apps to iOS 8, the more options you'll have for different apps and interactive notifications.